this dry type of oil-free air compressors. Okay, you see this is a two-stage one, which is a compressor with a normal pressure of 8 bar for the first stage, and the second stage up to 40 bars. You can see that we have the first stage is a normal one, and the 40 bar second stage. This is a complete set with refrigerated dryer. So it's a noisy cancel one. Very good for laser cutting machines. So for more information, log into ChinaCompressor.com and log with us. Thank you.